Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on IREN Limited. We start with that weekly chart because we want to get that W. And once again, it is October 12th. So if you look, IREN's gone on quite the run. It's probably about, I think, 1,000% or something. But if you look right here, there is a gap down negative week. What I mean by that is a gap down and it stayed negative, which is pretty powerful in my opinion. So what we want to do is wait for price on the weekly chart to close above that tail of the gap down negative week, which it did. And in the upcoming weeks, you want to look for a gap down negative day. So let's go to the daily chart. And ironically enough, it did it this time, but it gapped down and then it filled this gap and then it touched the 8 period moving average. Once it touched that 8 period moving average, it kind of resets the play. It kind of doesn't count. But if you look here, it gapped down and it went negative without touching this 8 period moving average. And then what actually happens is this actually is a really good area to get in. But what happens is then the following day, it goes up back to the top. And I always like to wait for the following day just to make sure it's not going to zoom up or anything. And there you go. It is marked the top. That is it. That's game over. That is the top. That is the top. I want to say it once again. Once again, this is for IREN Limited. The daily chart, the NASDAQ, ticker symbol IREN. Yeah, please let me know what you guys think of this play. And I think roughly around, between 59 and 68. That's the great zone to get in. But yeah, this is just not financial advice. This is just a great idea from a guy just trying to share his analysis on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe.